Hello everyone, it is finally happening. After years of complaints, Microsoft is officially testing the ability to move the taskbar to the top, left, or right sides of the screen, and they're even adding a built-in option to make the taskbar smaller. So the company began testing the ability to position the taskbar at the top of the screen and on the sides on Windows 11 build 26300.8493 and the experimental track of the Windows Insider program. However, initially, I didn't get this experience on my installation, so after doing some digging, I found two ways to do this. That includes using the native feature flags settings and the classic ViveTool. Before pressing any buttons, there is a catch. Because this feature is still in development, you will need to be running Windows 11 build 26300.8493 or a higher release in the Windows Insider program. If you're not on this version yet, keep this video bookmarked for when the update rollouts to you. Okay, first, let's look at the feature flags settings. This is the first method I use to enable the feature on my computer because it is the easiest one. So the process I used was to open the settings app, and then I went to the Windows Insider program page. And from here, I just went to the features flags page. And because we have like too many of the flags that we can enable, I looked for taskbar. And in here, I found two different flags that corresponds to the taskbar. One is the alternate taskbar positions, and this was set to no override. So no override means that the system will decide whether if the feature is enabled or not on the system, but it is possible to force it by selecting the enable option. And the smaller taskbar will give us the ability to make the taskbar smaller, and that was also set to override, so I selected the enable option. After doing that, I just apply the changes, and then it is always required to restart the computer to enable the features on the installation. After the computer reboots, the settings will be available inside of the taskbars page, more specifically under taskbar behaviors, as you can see right here. Then, to change the position of the taskbar, we just need to select where we want to place it. For example, to the left, top, right, and of course we can always put it on the default location, which is the bottom. Now, since I enable two flags, if I scroll down, now I can use the show smaller taskbar buttons setting to make the taskbar smaller. So this is not a new setting. However, in the past, it only made the icons smaller. Now, not only the icons, but the taskbar will be smaller. And for that, I need to select the always option. Now, one thing I noticed is that after upgrading to a new preview build, the flags that appears on the feature flags page not always appear immediately. So you might have to wait a little bit and then open the page one more time to see if the new flags are available. And at the beginning, because I didn't find them, I had to look another way to enable the new taskbar settings. And then I remember that you can also use the ViveTool. And thanks to Phantom Earth, who provided the codes, now we have another way to enable the position settings and the small taskbar. Now, and to do that, what I did was to go to the GitHub page, and then I downloaded the latest version of the ViveTool. Then I extracted the files. And I renamed the folder just to make it more readable. And then I just copy the folder and I placed it inside of the C drive, which is right here. And then from command prompt, open as an administrator, I simply opened the directory using this command, and then I use this command to enable the alternate taskbar positions settings and the smaller taskbar settings. Of course, after doing this, I restarted the computer in order to make the settings available. Keep in mind that since these are early experimental features, they might still be a little bit buggy or incomplete. Actually, the company said that some features are still not fully supported and more changes are coming in the future. And that's it. That's the process I use to enable the new taskbar positioning settings and even the option that allows me to make the taskbar smaller on Windows 11. Now, let me know what you think, and remember to like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.